Are you still copying and pasting items one by one? Copying something, switching tabs, pasting it, and then going back for the next one? Stop! You're doing it the hard way. Today, I'm going to show you a hidden Windows feature that lets you access everything you've copied in the last hour all at once. By default, Windows only remembers the last thing you copied. If you copy something new, the old data is gone forever. Or is it? Let's unlock your clipboard history. Here is how you set it up in 3 easy steps. Open your settings. You can do this by clicking Start or simply pressing the shortcut Windows+I. Go to System and scroll down until you find Clipboard. See that toggle for Clipboard History? Switch it to ON. And that's it. Your computer now has a memory. Now for the magic. Usually, you use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. But from now on, I want you to try Windows+V. When you press Windows+V, a small window appears showing a list of everything you've copied recently: text, links, and even images. Just click on the one you want, and it pastes instantly. If there is something you use every single day like an email address or a specific link, you can click the little pin icon. This simple trick will save you hours of switching between tabs. If you found this helpful, share it and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Windows productivity hacks.